Caucasus International University was established in 1995 and it is one of the oldest private medical university which is still regulated by the Ministry of Education and Ministry of Health. We will show you in the coming video that they have all the clinical skills center, there is a good big library, and they are affiliated with almost 37 big hospitals in Tbilisi. One of them is the Caucasus Hospital. So stay tuned to watch. Students, we are at the clinical skills stations. As you can see, we will show you now. There is a lot of stations which the student need to get ready for their skills on practical training before they actually start going to the hospitals. So this is like the initial stage of your clinical skills. As you can see, there is a lot of mannequins and simulation arts which is available at different stations.
तो स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप कॉकसस इंटरनेशनल मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ रहे हो, एज यू कैन सी ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर यू हैव अ 6 simulation centers, 6 simulation setups, and as you can go through the different kind of mannequins for your practical knowledge. Like before you're going to the hospital, you will be practicing on these mannequins as exact scenario as available in the hospitals. After practical session, you can have a discussion room here, as well as in here you will learn how the blood flow and all works. And again, there's a different scenarios. As you can see in ICU or when the patient gets admitted.
हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एवी ग्लोबल ओवरसीज एजुकेशन। आज हम हैं कॉकसस मेडिकल सेंटर में, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट मॉडर्न हॉस्पिटल इन तिब्लिसी। इट इज़ एफिलिएटेड टू कॉकसस इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी। सो विजय जी, आप स्टूडेंट्स को बताइए इस हॉस्पिटल के बारे में।
So there are 280 bed hospital है ये, and for students from Caucasus International University can come for their practicals, clinical exposure here. इसी hospital के अंदर इनके internship भी carry out होती है. One of the hospital, they have a 37 hospital, and this is one of the biggest hospital available for the students interaction. And as you have seen, we will show you the rest of the hospital, how the departments are operating, how the emergency ER is working, how the radiology department is, how the gynecology and mammology, as well as they're carrying out multiple plastic surgeries here. So it is a very good place for the Indian students to acquire a clinical exposure.
Vijay ji, I think there is almost 9 operation theaters here.
Yeah, they have a 9 operation theater and a multiple patient ward with more than, as I said, 280 bed hospital. So it's really good.
And I think it is a very, very clean, very tidy place, as you'll expect from the European standards. What else would you like to tell the students?
No, we will not tell them anything. We will show them exactly how the hospital is and how the students are practicing, how they observe under the professional and highly qualified doctors, and how they discuss in the room. Discussion rooms are there, and then there are multiple conference rooms are there for the students. So we will show you everything.
Yeah. So students, stay tuned. Now, after this, you will see all the departments, what you need to know about your practical training, your clinical practice as well, and your internship.
Show you the hospital, guys, of the Caucasus Hospital. So this is within the hospital conference room for the
Yes,
students when the
yes.
professors and the faculties want to show you the practical knowledge and they all can sit and observe. Wow, that's huge, eh? Students are like studying and like, you know, if they have the practical and then they can come in this room and discuss. Well, that's good. Good size. So this is a radiology room where students can practice with the patients, and that is for the X-ray down there and for X-ray scopy here, and then on the other side they can practice with the faculty.
So as you can see here, they got a special machine for panoramic X-ray, and they have all the modern equipment for the X-ray department. Student, this is all the MRI area over here. They got different rooms with different MRI scanners. So as you can see, there is another dark room over here for the X-rays. The students, we will now show you the CT scan machine over here. This will be the training center for all the students.
So students from Caucasus International University, they have an access on a day-to-day basis with the intensive care unit, also patients. They can only come and observe from a distance. They cannot handle the patients, but they have an observership here also going on. And the same hospital, as you can see behind me, they have operating theatre, patient wards, intensive care unit and emergency. So this is the gynecology, mammology, as well as they are carrying out multiple plastic surgeries also here with the outpatient department.
Dear students, we're on the third floor where there are 9 operation theatres here, and they are very, very careful about the hygiene. So if anybody, even visitors, have to go, they have to get changed and wear the medical outfit.